Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Sri Chandra's distance learning program. Dear students, dear webinars, we were dealing with the topic section grammar. We were dealing with the topic singular, dual and plural from section grammar. So far what we have studied that in section grammar we have two lessons. Lesson number 1 is al-kalimatu wa aqsamuha, the word and its kinds, and lesson number 2 is al-ismu wa aqsamuhu, the noun and its kinds. So we have discussed about the noun. Noun has 4 properties. The first property is al-wus'atu, according to capacity, has 2 types, an-nakiratu wal ma'rifatu, definite noun and indefinite noun, and according to al-adad, according to number, the noun has 3 types, al-mufradu, al-musanna wal jama, and according to al-jins, according to gender, the noun has 2 types, al-muzakkaru wal muannasu, masculine gender means male gender and feminine gender means female gender. And the last one is al-halatu. Al-halatu means according to case. The noun can be in 3 cases, that is nominative case, halatul raf'i. The sign of halatul raf'i, nominative case is 1 dhamma or 2 zammas, 1 pesh or 2 pesh. And halatul nasbi means accusative case. The sign of accusative case is 1 fatha or 2 fathas. And number 3 is genitive case, halatul jarri. What is the sign of halatul jarri? The sign of halatul jarri is 1 kasra or 2 kasras. The noun according to number has 3 kinds, singular, dual and plural, al-mufradu, al-musanna wal jama. We have discussed about al-jama and its types. The plural has 2 types in Arabic, al-jam'us salim and al-jam'ul mukassar. In our last class, we had discussed the topic al-jam'us salim, sound plural. Today we will discuss about al-jam'ul mukassaru and al-jam'ul taksiru, broken plural. Okay, right. Today we are going to discuss the topic Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss the topic al-jam'u taksir. Okay. Al-jam'ul mukassar or al-jam'u taksir. Al-jam'u al-mukassar. Al-jam'u al-mukassaru means broken plural. What is the definition of broken plural? The definition of broken plural is, it is a plural. It is a plural in which the measure of singular is broken. in which the major of singular is broken. In which the major of singular is broken. इसका मतलब ये है कि जमुल मुकस्सर, जमा मुकस्सर या जमा तकसीर क्या है? इट इज़ अ प्लूरल, ये ऐसी जमा है जिसमें इन विच द मेजर ऑफ सिंगुलर इज ब्रोकन, मीन्स द पैटर्न ऑफ सिंगुलर इज ब्रोकन. जो वज़न है, वाहिद का जो वज़न है वो टूट जाता है. इसकी वजह से इसको जमा मुकस्सर कहते हैं. दैट इज़ द रीज़न इट इज़ नेम्ड एज अल जमुल मुकस्सर, मीन्स ब्रोकन प्लूरल. ओके. It has many patterns, it has many majors on which it is formed. As how we had formed sound plurals by suffixing waw noon or ya noon or alif ta. In this way we were forming sound plural. But in broken plural, in this case, here we have to analyze that, we have to observe that it has many patterns on which it is formed. So we will discuss about some patterns today. It is a plural in which the major of singular is broken. It has many patterns. Nearly 48 patterns are there. Okay, different patterns. For Jama Khilla, for Jam'ul Khillati, there are 4 patterns, and for Jam'ul Kasra, for Jam'ul Kasra, 17 patterns are there, and remaining patterns belongs to Muntahal Jama, means the more than many of the, we have to discuss a large number of people, then we will say Jamul Muntaha. Okay, we will study it later. First we will concentrate on this topic. It is a plural in which the major of singular is broken. It has many patterns. It has many patterns means 48 patterns are there. It has many patterns. Among them, a few of them are So here we will talk about some patterns. Okay, maximum 3 or 4 patterns we will take, not all the patterns. Okay, here the first pattern is very easy. The pattern is af'alun. Af'alun. This is a die. This is a pattern on which the plural is made. For example, we have waladun. Waladun is a singular. What is the plural of waladun? It is made on this pattern af'alun, means awladun. Okay, awladun. Af'alun is a pattern. We are making a plural on this pattern, like waladun is a singular, one boy, and awladun, boys. And another example is qalam. Qalamun. What will be the plural of qalam? On this pattern, it will become aqlamun. Okay, aqlamun, pens. Aqlamun, pens. One more we will take example. Aqlamun, awladun, and babun. Babun means door. The plural of babun is abwabun, and so on. So we will make plural on this pattern. One of the pattern we have discussed among the broken plurals patterns. Got it? One of the pattern we have discussed today. That is af'alu. What is the another pattern? Another pattern is, if you want to take the meanings, awladun boys, aqlamun pens, abwabun doors. One more pattern we will discuss here, pattern number 2. Here is fu'ulun. Fu'ulun is a pattern. On this we will make plurals, like we have a singular kitabun. Kitabun. Kitabun means book, and plural is kitab will become kutub. Kutubun. Okay. Fu'ulun, kutubun. In this way we will form plural on fu'ulun pattern. Kitabun, kutubun, books. Similarly, jadidun. Jadidun means new, and the plural of jadidun is jududun. Jududun means new. But in adjective, there is no plural for adjective in English. But in Arabic, we have adjective plurals as well, jadidun, jududun. Another word is there, a very famous word, rasulun. Rasulun means messenger, and the plural of rasulun is rusulun. Rusulun. Rusulun means prophets or messengers. So this is the another die or pattern of Jam'ul Mukassar. One more pattern we will discuss here. The another pattern is here fi'alun. Fi'alun, one more pattern is there, fi'alun. Fi'alun. Fi'alun like rajulun. Rajulun is a singular. The plural of rajulun is rijalun. Rijalun, fi'alun, rijalun. Men. And similarly, jibalun. Jabal is singular, mountain, and jibal is plural. Jibalun, mountains. Okay. Kalbun. Kalbun is singular, which means dog, and the plural of kalbun is kilabun, dogs. Got it? So, dear students, let me read once again this topic for you, Al-Jam'ul Mukassaru. Al-Jam'ul Mukassaru, in English we called it as broken plural. Actually, Al-Jamu means plural, and Jama has two types in Arabic, Al-Jamul Salimu and Al-Jamul Mukassaru. Sound plural and broken plural. The sound plural topic is over, we had discussed in our earlier classes. Today's topic is Al-Jamul Mukassar. What is Al-Jamul Mukassar? Jamul Mukassar means broken plural. The definition of broken plural is, it is a plural in which the major of singular is broken. ये ऐसी जमा है जिसमें वाहिद का वजन टूट जाता है. It has many patterns. इसके बहुत सारे औजान हैं, डाइज है, पैटर्न्स है. A few of them are, जिनमें से चंद पैटर्न्स ये हैं. इसके टोटल पैटर्न्स अगर आप पूछेंगे तो 48 पैटर्न्स हैं. 48 दो कम 50 जो है ना पैटर्न्स हैं. इसमें से पहला पैटर्न है अफ़आलुन. अफ़आलुन के वज़न पे जमाएं बनती है. जैसे 3 एग्जाम्पल्स हम लिए हैं, वलदुन, औलादुन, कलमुन, अक़लामुन, बाबुन, अबवाबुन. What is the meaning of waladun? Waladun means boy, awladun boys. Qalamun means pen, akhlamun pens. Babun means door, abwabun means doors. Another pattern is fu'ulun. फ़ुउलुन के पैटर्न पे जमा बनती है, जैसे किताबुन सिंगुलर है, इसकी जमा है कुतुबुन, बुक्स। जदीदुन सिंगुलर है, जुदुदुन। यहाँ पर एक बात समझने की है कि जदीदुन ये एडजेक्टिव है यानी न्यू, और इंग्लिश में एडजेक्टिव का प्लूरल नहीं बनता। हमको इंग्लिश से कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं है, बल्कि हमको देखना यह है कि अरबी में प्लूरल बन रहा कि नहीं बन रहा। बन रहा है, जुदुदुन, न्यू। रसूलुन मैसेंजर, रुसुलुन मैसेंजर्स। और एक पैटर्न है फ़िआलुन। फ़िआलुन के माने हैं, फ़िआलुन के माने तो नहीं है, ये एक पैटर्न है। जैसे रजुलुन से रिजालुन, जबलुन से जिबालुन, कल्बुन से किलाबुन। रजुलुन मीन्स मैन, रिजालुन मीन्स मैन, जबलुन माउंटेन, जिबालुन माउंटेन्स, कल्बुन डॉग, किलाबुन डॉग्स। ठीक है, ये वक्त की गुंजाइश नहीं है, इंशाल्लाह हम अब ये टॉपिक को कल इंशाल्लाह मज़ीद समझेंगे। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह।